This is the water buffalo?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Fill it up with water, you can drink out of that. Bring your canteen over here and fill it up.
Okay.
This is our 5-ton truck, FMTV. You can climb up in there if you'd like.
Oh,
just be careful.
Hey, can you? There.
Step right there.
We'll get you on camera, Ryan. You'll be famous.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Pretty long drive for you up there, isn't it?
It took longer than I thought.
Yeah.
I figured an hour and a half. We left probably about a quarter after. Now we got, I don't want to say hung up, but we got slowed